Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to edit alignment in Civil 3D. We will learn how to reverse direction of an alignment and how to change start station of any alignment, and then we will also add station equation on intersection of the road. So every alignment has stationing applied to help locate design geometry points. This stationing may start at 0 or may start at a predefined value based on previous constructions. Stationing can also be fixed in both directions, requiring station equations that helps translate between two disparate points that are the basic of the stationing in the drawing. Sometimes alignments can be drawn initially in the wrong direction, so thankfully Civil 3D has a command to fix that. Just open 610 alignment station drawing from the description link. Once you will open, you will see our real-time project where we are developing a complete real-time projects with multiple lots and roads. Since the road D alignment does not, if you zoom in here, it does not have the alignment labels running from north to south, we will want to reverse its direction. So just pick it to activate the alignment contextual tab here. You will see it's ending with 1 plus 250 from here, but we want to reverse it. Then how can we reverse this alignment? It's a large alignment of road D. So from the alignment contextual tab, modify panel, modify drop down panel, choose reverse direction here. It's a very useful command. Just select this one. Warning dialogues appear reminding you of the consequences of such a change. Just click OK to dismiss the warning dialog box. The stationing reverses you can see with 304.8 now at the north end point of the alignment. So our alignment has been reversed. The warning message let you know that when the direction is reversed, things happen to the setting defined for the alignment. So take note of what can change when an alignment is reversed. For example, if you had masking applied to the alignment, you would need to redefine it. Just press escape to deselect the alignment if already selected. This technique allows you to reverse an alignment almost instantly. The warning that appears is critical, though when an alignment is reversed, the information that was derived from its original direction may not translate correctly, if at all. One prime example of this would be design profile. They don't reverse themselves when the alignment is reversed, and this can lead to serious design issues if you are not paying attention. Beyond reversing, it's common for alignments to not start with 0. For example, the road E, if you see here, alignment for road E may be a continuation of an existing street, and it makes sense to make the starting station for this alignment the station where this alignment intersects with road A, the alignment from the existing street. In this next portion of this exercise, we will set the beginning of station. Just select road E alignment. To activate the alignment contextual tab, from the alignment contextual tab, modify panel, choose alignment properties icon here and switch to the station control. If you are not here, then this tab controls the base stationing and lets you create station equations. In the reference point stations here, if something else here, just put right 781.24 because it is the station where we want to refer it to the previous road. Then click OK to dismiss and press escape to deselect the alignment. The station information section in the top right will update. These options can't be edited but provide a convenient way for you to review the alignment length and station value in properties. So you will keep this drawing open for the next portion of exercise. In addition to changing the value for the part for the start of the alignment, you could use the pick reference point button to select another point as stationing point. Station equation can occur multiple times along an alignment. They typically comes into play when plans must match existing conditions or when the stationing has to match other plans, but the length in the new alignment would make that possible without some translations. So in this last portion of this exercise, we will add a station equation on road C at the intersection of road B here. Road C and we have road B. Just select the road C alignment. To activate the alignment contextual tab, from the alignment contextual modify panel, choose alignment properties here. Okay, so on the station control tab of the alignment, if you are not here, just select and you will come here on station control tab of alignment property dialog box. Click the add station equation button here. If you will hover, it will show you add station equation. Already we have one station equation for any other road and we need to add one more. Just and you will get a warning notification. Just click OK to go to the next step. Change the station ahead value if you see here, it is asking for to put the station, which we can put 304.8 and press enter. Okay, here you will get warning notification. If you get, then click OK to go to the next step and then just click the apply button and notice the change in the station information section. Click OK again or press escape and review the stationing that has been applied to the alignment 305. It is showing it should be 304.8 but it's a round number, so it has been created for the road C and B intersections. Stationing constantly changes as alignment or modified during the initial stage of development or as late design changes are applied to the plans. With the flexibility shown here, you can reduce the time you spend dealing with minor changes that seems to ripple across an entire project. Hope you like this video. If you want to know how we can assign speeds to any alignments and how to add super elevation to the alignments, then stay tuned for the next exercises with us.